Opisyal nang ipinakilala ang 20 kandidata na maglalaban-laban sa Binibining Nueva Ecija 2026 sa ginanap na official sashing at press conference noong March 8, 2026 sa Event Center ng SM City, Cabanatuan. Ang mga kandidata ay nagmula sa iba't ibang bayan at lungsod ng Nueva Ecija at ipinakilala sa publiko at sa mga kinatawan ng media bilang mga opisyal na kalahok sa patimpalak. Ang naturang pageant ay inihahandog ng pamahalaang panlalawigan ng Nueva Ecija sa pamumuno ni Governor Aurelio Oy Matias Umali at Vice Governor Kuya Lemon Umali kasama ang suporta ni former Governor and Congresswoman Cherry Domingo Umali. Katuwang din sa programa si former Vice Governor Doc Anthony Umali, franchise owner ng Miss World Nueva Ecija at Miss Grand Philippines Nueva Ecija. Isinagawa ang patimpalak sa pakikipagtulungan ng Jacks and Queen Organization Incorporated, ang franchise partner ng Miss Universe Philippines Nueva Ecija. Dumalo rin sa programa sina Micah Cabling Martinez, Corporate Secretary ng organisasyon at Local Director ng Miss Universe Philippines at 2nd District Board Member Jason Avalos, Chairman ng Committee on Tourism and Culture ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan ng Nueva Ecija. Ayon kay Mara San Pedro, Provincial Tourism Officer, mahalagang pagkakataon ng sashing at press conference upang ipakilala ang mga kandidata na inaasahang magsusulong ng turismo sa lalawigan.
And most especially to our Binibining Nueva Ecija candidates, today is the beginning of a journey that goes far beyond the crown. You carry with you the pride of your municipalities and cities, and more importantly, the responsibility of becoming the next tourism ambassadors of Nueva Ecija. Voices who will help tell the story of our culture, our people, and our identity as the rice granary of the Philippines. At the Provincial Tourism Office, we believe that pageantry is not only about elegance on stage, it is also about empowerment, representation, and leadership. Through this platform, we hope to nurture women who will inspire communities, promote their destinations, and represent the very best of what it means to be a Novo Ecijana.
Sinabi naman ni Attorney Jose Maria Cesar San Pedro, Provincial Administrator, na nagsisilbing plataporma ang patimpalak upang maipahayag ng mga kandidata ang kanilang mga layunin at advokasya kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng National Women's Month.
Tayo pinaniniwala, the Binibining Nueva Ecija has always been a platform for you to be able to share what you have, for you to be able to espouse whatever belief na gusto niyo bigyan ng mas magandang plataforma. And hopefully, all of our candidates, 20 candidates that we have and that have joined Binibining Nueva Ecija 2026, hopefully will be able to maximize on this platform. All of you, sabi ko nga parate, all of you ngayon pa lang ay panalo na.
Sa press conference, nagkaroon din ng pagkakataon ng mga miyembro ng media na magtanong sa mga kandidata tungkol sa kanilang paghahanda at advokasya.
For me, I believe being a beautiful person is having a purpose. That is why I am here today, stating my advocacy is having my own purpose, enjoying Binibining Nueva Ecija alongside with my sisters. And I believe being Binibining Bungaton, you should know your municipality and your history, also the culture and heritage of your own. Thank you.
Actually, I'm advocating for women empowerment, but today I wanted to voice out the violence against women, because violence against women is unacceptable and must stop. It affects our dignity and mental health, and laws should be strictly implemented to protect us, because we women deserve safety, respect, and empowerment. Babae tayo, hindi babae lang. Maraming salamat po.
Samantala, personal naming nakapanayamang kandidata mula sa Lupao na si Jonna Lee Francisco na unang beses pa lamang na sumali sa isang provincial pageant. Ayon sa kanya, wala siyang napanalunang titulo sa kanilang municipal pageant. Ngunit, nagpasya siyang sumali dahil sa suporta ng mga taong naniniwala sa kanyang kakayahan.
My main motivation, ma'am, is because of those people who supports and believe in me. My handlers especially, they are the ones who told me that I can join this kind of pageant, I can join this big of a pageant.
Habang ang kandidata naman na mula sa Palayan City ay ginagamit naman ang kanyang mga karanasan sa pageantry bilang paghahanda sa kompetisyon matapos na ilang beses ding kumatawan sa Nueva Ecija sa mga national pageant.
I really came prepared right now. Just like what you've said, I've experienced this so many times. I've represented Nueva Ecija so many times, and I've wanted to use those as lessons for me to be able to apply it in Binibining Nueva Ecija. And I wanted to let other people know as well to never give up on their dreams and be like me, because we can do so much if we're not fearful of failure, and if we start believing in ourselves.
Maglalaban ang 20 kandidata para sa mga titulo ng Binibining Nueva Ecija Universe, Binibining Nueva Ecija World at Binibining Nueva Ecija Grand International 2026. Ang mga mananalo ay magsisilbing tourism ambassadors ng lalawigan. Kasama sina Jasper Balasote at Jeremy Ramos, Shane Tolentino para sa Balitang Unang Sigaw.